Hi, and welcome to this Excel 2013 video presented by the CIS Sandbox at Bentley University. My name is Elizabeth, and today we are going to talk about writing formulas for basic calculation. So the formulas we're going to write today involve calculating maximum, minimum, average, and then count in Count A. And you'll see over here on the left, I have a list of students with grades, and a few of the students have dropped the class. So to write a formula, there are three ways you can start writing it. You can either click directly in the box and type equals. You can click in the box and then click up here in the formula bar and start typing there, again with the equal sign. Or you can hit this little FX button to insert a function, or by going to the formulas tab, you can also play around up there on your own. So I'm going to hit the FX button, and for the maximum grade, I'm going to type the word maximum, hit go, and what that does is it searches formulas that involve the word max. So you'll see here, max will return the maximum value. I select the formula I want, click OK, and then I'm going to highlight the range of cells that I want evaluated. So I want it to give me the maximum number out of all of these cells. And what it will do is it will ignore the text values because those aren't numbers, so they can't be compared. So I click OK. It gives me 100, which you'll see it does look like the maximum value is 100. For the minimum grade, I will do equals min, which is the smallest number, open parentheses, and again, select the range of cells I want evaluated, close my parentheses and hit enter. Gives me 3, which you can see it does appear 3 is the smallest. For average, equals average, open parenthesis, and then again, you highlight the range of cells, close your parentheses, and hit enter. 55. And then students with grades. So for this one, I'm going to use the count formula. And what that does is you can see it counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. So open parentheses, and just to show you, I'm going to highlight this empty cell up here too. And I'm going to highlight all the way down for my range of cells, close my parentheses, hit enter, and I have 22 students with grades, which if you go through and count, you'll see that there are in fact 22 numbers in the grade column. For total students, I'm going to use count A, which you'll see counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So my open parenthesis, and again, I'm just going to select this one empty cell up here and go all the way down, and you'll see I close my parentheses, hit enter, and it counts 25, which would include the words dropped, but because the cell up here was empty and didn't contain anything, it was not included in the count. And that's it today for writing formulas for basic calculations. If you have any more questions or want to see more examples, feel free to stop by the CIS Sandbox in Smith and ask a tutor some questions. Thank you.